Hey guys, today I'll teach you how to design a birthday flyer using Pixel Lab. Let's go over to our Pixel Lab. This our Pixel Lab. So let me remove the text. Want to design a birthday flyer? Let's color our background. Let's read the color. There's a color I want to use here. Okay, this is the color I want to use. Then let us bring our image from gallery, the image of the picture or the birthday picture that we want to use for design. Then let me get the picture now. Okay, this is the picture. This is the picture. Okay, bring it. Increase the size. Do you know how I got the color? Do you know how I got this color? That if you are making a birthday flyer and you want to add a background like this, first of all check the clothes the person is wearing and then know the color that can match. You look at this picture now, you find out that the clothes the clothes the guy is wearing and the color of the background match, because he has a red pieces on the clothes and also on the background, so they match. If I should apply another color like blue, yellow, it cannot match. So that's why, before, if you want to make a design, those know how to blend colors. You understand? Know how to blend colors. You can see that the color, you can see red stuff on the cloth and also on the background now. So if you can see that the two match now. So this is how I got the color. If you want to get the color on the list, you can just extract, go to color, go over to this place, extract. Let me get this thing, extract the color here. You can see it now. Extract the color. You can see the color that appears there now. You see it now. So that's how to extract color. Understand? That's how to extract color. So I will go back. Okay, and if you, after extracting it, you can make it bright. You can see my own is bright. So after doing it like that, let me increase the person a bit. Let me still increase it a bit. It's like it's okay, but let me still increase it because I want to make it okay. It's okay now. So next thing I'll do is let me still import. Okay, let me duplicate it and do something again. This is the one I duplicated. Let me lock this, the first one. Then this second one that I duplicated, I will crop it. Let me go to a cover object, crop it. Let me crop it. I'll do it like this. This I want to crop it. You see it now. So after doing it, let's click on OK. Then you see how it will appear. Then take the picture to the back. Take the picture to the back. Let it be at the back. You see it now. So this one, unlock this one now. Shift it like this. Then I need to increase one a bit. I need to increase it a bit. No, talking of this one, increase this one a bit. It's too much. This I'm doing. Okay, it's okay like this now. So next thing to do is let me lock this. Okay, no, so if I lock this, I'll leave this. Then I will then arrange this one here very well to look good. Then I'll then apply opacity on it. Opacity, this here I want it to be, this it. So let me make it 62. Then I will get a shape. I get a shape. I'll still give it the same color. Then I can brighten it, but let me just leave it there. Then I'll then apply opacity. Let me apply opacity on it. 58. Let me make it 58. Then I'll take this to the middle. Sorry, I won't take it. Sorry, take it to the middle. Okay, let me still apply opacity on it. Okay, 54 is okay. then increase the size to cover everything. Then let me also get a shape also. This one I'm going to apply a gradient color. So this is a gradient color. Go over this place. Get any of this color. This is the color there. So but let me get a gradient color. That's let me just show you way of getting gradient color. Let's go over to this place. Let me just extract color, that is the normal color here. Extract the normal color here. This is the normal color, right? So I want to use I want this one to this one is transparent. I want this side, because let me show you something now. This side now is the color, the main color. Why this one now is transparent color? This place now, the top is transparent. But if I click on this place now and go over to this place, I can change the color from transparent to white. You can see it now. Then if you come back, you can see this place now white. It's no more transparent. So I actually want to make that side a bit transparent. So I need to go over to this place, make it transparent. Understand? So once I make it transparent, then I will then use this. Let me choose one I'll use. Okay, this is okay. Then also I apply it like this. Let me see how it will be. Okay, let it be like this. Okay, let it be like this. So I will click on OK. Then take the picture to the back also. You get it now. This is what I did now. Also, I actually want to make this side clear and this side big, then this side not to be clear. So it's now okay like this. So I'll then get a shape also. Let it be like this. Take it to this place. Here there's a much work here. If you make mistake here, your design will be nonsense. So here I want to use a gradient color. So once I go to this place, I'll get this particular color here. The particular color there was okay. Let's try this color. I sorted it, so I can then click on OK. Then you can see here is white, here is dark, here is red. So I want to make the side that is white transparent. I make it transparent, I mean by clicking on that white place, draw it here, draw this one to white, then allow it to be transparent. Then you come back to this one, click on it. Let me make it a bit dark, or let me make this one like this and then draw it. No, okay, should be like this. So I'll click on OK. No, so I click on OK. Then I will make sure this come close and this also come close, so that okay, let this be like this. No, it's okay like this. I need to make this one dark. To go back, then make this one, let's allow it here, then still increase it like this. Let me know how it look like. Okay, like you can see, it's perfect now. Let me see, but I need to add. Okay, let me just make it very simple this way. Make it 2. After doing it like this, let me go back, do the little adjustment there, leave it like this. Okay, then we click on OK. Then I can duplicate it. I want to make it 2 so that it could be better for me to use. Understand? So once I duplicate it, I can then increase that one, increase it, maybe increase it like this, then increase the color here. Then once I increase it, click on OK. I also want it to be like something that looks blur. You get it now? So this I want it to look like. So let me still decrease the opacity of this. Still increase the opacity of this opacity. Let me increase it. Okay, so as it's like this now, you actually want to make this place blur, so we have succeeded in making it blur. Now lock this one, then let us still touch this a bit, or let us leave it. Yeah, let us just leave it. So next thing there is to get a test. By getting a test, let's bring in a new test, then type the date of birth. That's let us use date of birth, third, mostly third. Okay, then I want to use a font, but if I use the font, let me increase the size to something like 130 something. Then let me use a mem font. Let me show you the font. Mem. This font I want to use. Bring it here. Then reduce the size a bit to 125 or 118. Okay. Once it's like this, then duplicate it and write the month. Let me choose a month. Let me use February. You don't complete it, just write FEB, they'll know it's February. So once you bring it, you place it here and reduce the size of the February to something like 12 or 8, 1 8. So place the 2 well. Okay, so you can see it. Once you place the 2 like this, okay, I should increase the third, but okay, let's leave it like this. So let us bring in another test, then write birthday, encapsulator, then increase the size to 80 something. No, let's leave that 98. Then change the font. I want to use a font called King Tins Exata. Use the font. Then bold. Apply bold. Let me just do small spacing, little spacing. Okay. Apply bold. Then I can still increase the size a bit. Or let me just leave it at 99. Then I place it here. Let me color it. Let me give it a color. Look for a sharp color. Let me look for a sharp. Okay. Let me use this. Then let me get another test and write happy. Happy. This one should let this one in small letter like this. Then okay, sorry. Let's let it. Then we increase the size a bit. Should not be big than the other one. So let us change the font. Let us use a fancy font. Let's get a fancy font. Let's try this. That's how it will look like. Apply a bold color there. Let's try the scrum font. Okay, like this is okay. You can see this is actually okay. Okay, so next thing there is to edit all these stuffs, like let me apply shadow on it to make it clear. Let me apply a little shadow on it. Let me reduce the opacity to something like 50. Then apply outer glow, but okay, I should reduce the opacity to something like 25. Okay, then do the same to this one. 25. Then outer glow. Understand? Okay, let me reduce the blurriness. Let me reduce the blur to something like 5 or so, okay, like 8. Then or should I reduce it? Let me reduce it. Still must reduce it. 6, 6. Then can then come over to this one here. Increase the shadow. Just get the shadow reduce to 25. Then apply outer glow on it. Go over this one. Do the same. 25 is for it to show clearly. 25. Then apply outer glow on it. Then you can then reduce this to 6. Then okay, you can try leave this. So this is it. Have you seen how sharp it is? It's how to design birthday flyer. Is you can see how I made that one. I hope all these steps I applied there is not difficult. So you can still add another thing you want to add, like the person's name, but I actually like it like this. It's okay like this. So this is how to design a birthday flyer. Let's save as a project. Let's save as a project. Birthday. Let me use birthday 6 because I have 1 to 5. So okay, so next thing is to save it as an image. Just an image. Use ultra and save to gallery. So this is the best way of designing a birthday flyer. Okay, save an image. So that's it. So thank you for watching this video.